Okay, welcome back to Byte Forever. This is probably part 4 of this Commodore 64 repair video. Just having a look at the SID chip now. That's the Commodore 64 repair manual schematic for this board revision. It's a Rev A. See there, 254R7. What I've got is what I think is another another resistor, which is way below what it should be. So this is R6. It should be 1k ohm resistor. Don't know if you can see in there. Probably can't see a damn thing, and I can't either. But what I'm measuring there on the multimeter is 271 ohm. So yeah, that might be one reason why I'm not getting the audio out. It's just basically showing to ground, so R6 there. So probably try replacing that and see what happens. Okay, bye for now.